Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to clear the frog in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account guys and opening up the game, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home screen of the game where you can see all of your levels, your progress, your map, events, shop, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say that we want to go ahead and find a level where we have this frog, and now we want to go ahead and learn how to clear this level. So guys, first thing we can do is, as you can see on the Google results right here, if you search for how to clear the frog, there is an answer that says that the frog can be mashed like a normal candy, so you just need to feed the frog enough until, and then you can click on it and hover to bring it to another part of the board you want to clear. So guys, basically what we have to do is to just go ahead and play Candy Crush normally, just swipe until your frog is big enough and it pulses and starts vibrating guys, and after you can see your frog vibrating, then you can go ahead and drag it to another part of the board that you want to clear, and like that you'll be able to clear the frog and the board. But yeah guys, basically those are the steps that you need to take, and that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.